Hello, this is Erik Dalton, and thank you for your interest in my new Art of Mat home study course. In this 16 CE pain management program, you'll get an inside look at myoskeletal alignment techniques in action as you watch Paul Kelly and I treat real people with real problems. If you've seen any of our courses before, you know that we always begin with a thorough functional assessment and then perform specific hands-on corrections for each condition. Once we've retested for improved mobility and better functional movement, the client is given specific corrective exercises to do at home. In these anatomically enriched technique videos and handsomely illustrated manual, we treat clients presenting with conditions such as nocturnal arm numbness, thoracic outlet syndrome, pain on forward bending, pain down the legs when sitting, crooked spines and neck cricks that refer into the arms, and rotator cuff injuries that impede sports performance, and much more. We all know how frustrating it is when clients come in time after time showing little or no improvement, yet many of the conditions that clients bring in are chronic and complex, making it difficult to get favorable outcomes with the limited information we've learned in massage school. In this final step in our Master Myoskeletal Therapist program, we've rounded up some real people with some very real problems, so we could show you just how quickly you can learn to identify the main event causing their dysfunction, along with a step-by-step protocol for guiding them back to a pain-free life. Come with us as we marry the art and science of manual therapy through this new Art of Mat program. In touch, Erik Dalton.